Hello, I'm Dr. Pallavika Mandal. I'm a surgical oncologist. I'm associated with Peerless Hospitals. What are the stages of breast cancer? Breast cancer stages include from 1 to 4. 1 means very small tumor less than 2 centimeter, and patients might not be able to find it on their own. It is usually found while doing other investigations. 2 is the commonest stage in which we see patients. This is usually when the tumor is between 2 to 5 centimeter in size, and this is the best stage to come to your doctor because your outcomes are the best in stage 2. Usually surgery also can prevent the loss of the entire breast, and breast conservation surgery is possible, and the outcomes are almost 5-year survival is up to 90%. Next is the stage 3, where the tumor size is more than 5 centimeters. The disease has spread to the armpits or axilla. In this, multiple modalities of treatment is usually required, which is surgery along with chemotherapy, radiotherapy and immunotherapy. Prognosis is not as good as stage 2, however, it is still curable and cancer can be won over. The last stage is stage 4. It is usually metastatic, which means that the tumor is present not only in the breast or axilla but has gone to other parts of the body. Whether it is only in one place or in multiple sites, it doesn't matter. However, it has reached beyond the breast and the axilla. In this case, usually curative or curing or entirely removing the tumor is not on the treatment's aim. What we aim out here in the treatment is to control it, to keep it under control, the tumor not to spread any further for as long as possible. Usually that's why surgery is not recommended in this stage anymore unless there is some pain, there is ulcer. In this stage, usually a combination of chemotherapy along with immunotherapy and or radiation is used. The prognosis in this stage is quite poor. So anyone who has a breast lump which is slowly growing in size or rapidly growing in size, they should not wait for it to really become very big, because this tumor would then probably be already in stage 4 and it would spread beyond the breast and axilla and nothing can be probably done from curative standpoint. So do not ignore breast lumps. Do visit your clinician as early as possible.